Okay. Hi, Mrityunjay. How are you?
I am great. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Bihar, but currently I am staying in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. I am
Okay.
pursuing I am pursuing MBA first year, and I have completed my BCom in 2018.
Okay. Which college?
I am from Now I am pursuing MBA from GL Bajaj.
Okay. And earlier?
Earlier I am doing BCom from LS College, BRAB University, Bihar.
Okay. Great. Great. Good to know. So, what number of session is this? How many sessions have you taken till now?
This is my first session.
Oh, this is your very first one.
Yes.
Okay. What about your demo? When was your demo?
Demo demo is happened earlier 2 3 months earlier, because in the
Two, 3 months.
meanwhile yes, in the meanwhile I am doing some English. I am seeing some English video, and in the meanwhile in the Skype I am talking with different types of person
Wow. That's
in
good.
the English, and I also join English Yari. In the meantime I also talk in English Yari.
What is English, Yari?
English Yari is that type of platform, just like Clapping.
Oh, okay. There is another one. Okay. I didn't know that. Okay, so that is good that you've done so much practice. That's amazing. So I want to ask, what are your major problems that you face while talking in English?
Major problem is that the word vocabs. Sometimes the vocabs are not coming in my mind when they needed. Sometimes the sentence I am ready for that sentence, but the sentence was not coming in my mind. Sometimes the confidence level was low. Sometimes I feel nervous when talking. I wanted to talking fluently English, but it's not happen because it's need practice. And in the in, in the any sector, MBA or any field, you know about that without communication skill you can't do better than any.
Okay, that is good. All right, so in a day, if I ask you,
Yes.
how many times or how much is your involvement when it comes to talking in English? How often do you talk in English on a daily basis?
Involvement in daily basis involvement in my college timing is 9 to 5. Then the college in the college, meanwhile when the teacher will ask any question, or I will talk to the teacher, then we will talk in English. Otherwise there not so much talking in English. In the meantime we have to talk in English regular practice by the help of Skype, or see YouTube videos, or different types of many types of uh, English Hollywood films in the English subtitles. So
Very good.
that's
That is also a great practice. You have to continue with that. Okay, do you watch English web series also?
this web series. I don't watch in the recent time English web series, because in the meantime, at my college time, you know that college timing 9 to 5, and then the assignment, so that not much time to see any
So
type of film.
you haven't watched any English web series till now.
No, only studies, and the meantime I talking in any random person with in Skype or any other platform. So that's it, because the assignment is so much, because
Mm-hmm.
study is very much matter.
Got it. Okay. All right. So till now, whatever you've talked, I just want to say with you, practicing on a regular basis is very important.
Yes.
Okay. You have to be continuous with your English speaking. Okay, it's good that you don't really stop yourself from talking. That is the best thing about you. You are letting yourself talk. Even if you are making a mistake, you don't really care, you are talking. So that is something that we need.
My question is that whenever you speak English language and the grammatical errors, how can be corrected?
For your grammatical mistakes, see, you need to know the concept. Okay, it is important. What are the rules for grammar? How you have to apply them? Where you have to apply them? These you have to know. There is no alternative. Okay, until and unless you figure out the rules and how you have to apply them, the grammatical errors won't go away. Okay, so it is important.
Any part,
You need to pick up a topic. Okay, pick up a topic where you think you make maximum errors and start learning them. That's how you can correct.
any particular, any type of suggestion how we can correct uh, any help or any type of book or we practice, we learn vocabs, what type of solution we find?
If you want to build up your vocabulary, then for your vocabulary, see, reading newspapers is the best thing ever. Okay, it's the best thing ever.
Yeah,
So when you read
I have read
newspapers,
newspaper daily.
oh, you read newspaper daily?
Yeah, yeah.
No?
In my college, daily newspaper will be given for the
You
student
read.
for new word practice
Okay. So do
or
you
English
find
practice.
new words in the newspaper?
Yes, find many times we find because in my college, the one teacher said that they, on the daily basis you have to find new words and of that words the meaning and given and practice for that will happen.
Okay. So are you getting those 5 words on a daily basis?
Yeah, yeah.
Very good. Okay. So when you find a new word, what is your first step? What do you do?
I will learn and I will learn and the first thing is to first apply to make a sentence for the practice. That's why if I made the 5 sentences, then the practice will be more and then the practice more when I will get the confidence of learning the words.
Mm, very good. This is what you have to do. You have to practice how to make sentences out of the words. Okay? It's the most important thing. Finding the word and its meaning is not enough. You have to find a sentence. You have to look up for a not look up, you have to make a sentence of your own. Okay? Until and unless you make a sentence of your own, you will not be sure of the fact that you have grabbed the meaning. Okay? So what is the
And
step?
if
Always try to frame sentence of your own from the words.
if if any topic will be given, if you support to any topic will be given by any person, then how we can really make the topic good that uh, we will not any type of error happen.
I didn't understand your question.
My question is that if somebody or anybody, any person give, I just suppose that I will come with a any topic just like internet and we will make it ready, we will try to that this topic I have made is not in this topic many types of error will not happen, so what will do for its correction?
If a random topic is given to you and you have to talk on it, okay, talk about that topic, what you are aiming for is that there shouldn't be like many errors. You want to reduce the number of errors that are there, right? So for that, continuous practice is required. Okay, like it should be an everyday thing for you. that I do pick up a topic on a daily basis and I start talking on it. So yeah, it's kind of like everyday thing for me. So you need to make sure that it is an everyday thing for you. Because ultimately, whatever you are doing, practice is the most important thing.
I I also want a suggestion that if you will talk in class in any friends, just like group discussion with the English language, that it practice is helpful for talking in English or not.
Of course, it is. Be it you are a part of a group discussion or something, if you are practicing with your fellow members also, your friends also, it's definitely going to be helpful. Every time you cannot know about your mistakes, I understand, because not everybody would be in a position to correct you, right? In a group, when you are talking to your friends,
Yeah,
there might be people who are just like you, who are at the same level as you, who are at a level lower than you,
yeah.
or higher than you. So not everybody will be able to correct you, definitely. So but sometimes it's not all about knowing your mistakes, it's about letting yourself talk. Sometimes that is the aim.
One question, one question is that how we can make practice by essence, just like the many people I see the video in many people how he got the American or modern accent, just like uh, American
Just
accent or
practice.
European accent.
Just practice.
Prac-
Nothing else. They have stayed surrounded with that kind of accent, with that kind of talking, with that kind of conversations, etc. That is why their tongue has been molded in that way. Nothing special,
Uh,
no
how
rocket science. It's just a common thing that they have stayed surrounded with that particular thing.
how many vocabs is necessary for you speaking English fluently?
How many vocab?
The- how many I means I want to say that how many times on the daily basis I have to learn how many vocabs just to get fluently in that daily basis.
You don't get fluent with vocab. No, that's a wrong notion. It's not like you are going to have an advanced level of vocabulary, then only you will be fluent. No. What is the problem with using simple set of words? It is okay to use simple set of words, but you should use them
Yeah.
correctly. That's how you become fluent. You never become fluent with vocabulary. Vocabulary, and that too, I'm talking about an advanced vocabulary, like you're looking for newspapers, you find words from the newspapers.
Yeah.
So that is not going to make you fluent. You know words, that's good. But what if you don't know how to use them? Will that make you fluent? Of course not.
And
So you should know
in
how to
that basis
use
you
the
can
word instead of strengthening the
and
word.
how we can know use them what by
By
what type what process we can use them in what sentence and what time it can be used correctly.
what are you talking about? Vocab.
I I am talking about the any word or any in this word I have to use in the particular sentence. Then how can we use it correctly? How we can know it?
You will know the meaning of the word, right?
Yeah,
You will know the meaning of the word. When you pick up a word to be used in a sentence, the
yeah,
first aim is you should know the meaning of the word, right?
yeah,
There will be no point if you have
yeah.
fancy words but you don't know the meaning. And then you'll just end up using the word in just whatever place you feel like. So, you need to understand the meaning of the word. What does it stand for? What does it mean? Then only you will be able to use it in your own way. Okay, and that's how you will not make a mistake.